Bhopal, the city of lakes, a land where history rises from the water like the reflection of strength, courage, and resolve. Few cities in the world can claim a legacy as rare as ours. A city ruled by women for more than a century, a city where leadership wore the crown of compassion, vision, and unmatched determination. Today, their story is not just our history, it's our pride.
इतिहास हमेशा पढ़ा ही इसलिए जाता है क्योंकि उससे हम सीखते हैं और इस देश की तो महिलाओं ने भी बहुत योगदान दिया हमेशा से। आप भोपाल का ही इतिहास देख लें तो ये भोपाल जाना जाता है 4 बेगमों से जिन्होंने लगातार शासन किया और शायद ही दुनिया में ऐसी कोई दूसरी जगह है जहां महिलाओं ने लगातार शासन भी किया हो और समाज का भला भी किया हो।
In the early 19th century, when most women in the world were denied education, property, and power, Bhopal was writing a different story, a story that began with a young widow, Qudsiya Begum. She took the throne at just 19, not with force, but with wisdom. She did not rule behind a veil. She stepped forward into the light. She built roads, water systems, lakeside, and encouraged art. She transformed Bhopal into a city that respected and uplifted women.
हम गौंड काल में भी देखते हैं कि ट्राइबल से एक महिला उठती है जब उसके पति की धोखे से मृत्यु हो जाती है, तब वो उठती है उन जनजातियों के बीच में से और पूरा एक राज्य संभाल लेती है।
Shah Jahan Begum, an extraordinary architect of dreams. Under her leadership, Bhopal became a center of beauty. She envisioned and began the construction of the magnificent Taj ul Masajid. She promoted literature, poetry, and education. Her writings still echo with strength, clarity, and grace. Sultan Jahan Begum, the greatest social reformer Bhopal ever saw. She opened schools for girls. She believed that an educated girl could become the strength of an entire community. It was her vision that brought modern education to Bhopal. Her courage that made women step outside their homes. Her leadership that shaped the future of thousands.
My inclination was towards the sports. और भोपाल में जो कम्युनिटीज़ हैं वो महिलाओं को बहुत ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ने, जैसे हम उस ज़माने में भी गाड़ियाँ चलाते थे, स्कूटर चलाते थे, तो भोपाल का एक कल्चर ऐसा है कि वो कभी आपको ऑ करके नहीं देखता है।
Today, when a girl in Bhopal picks up a paintbrush, a football, a science book, or a microphone, she carries the legacy of these extraordinary rulers. The women rulers of Bhopal taught us that leadership has no gender, that courage is inherited not by blood but by spirit. And today, that when a woman arises, she lifts an entire generation with her.
So their contributions were not just towards architecture, but it was to nurturing the communities as a whole. And I feel very proud to actually take on the legacy forward. Though the context is different, the role is different, but I generally prefer to be more responsive to the environment, to the social responsibility and the social needs of the people for whom we are designing. And this way I feel that architecture plays a big role in actually supporting the community that we have around us.
Our city was built by queens, women who designed, nurtured,